Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a young lady wanted to do this for her husband, and she picked a man and a boy, but she wanted a soccer bag, like he's taking her to soccer. And this video isn't really how to draw the balls or the bag, even though I drew the balls. I have a video out there on how to draw the balls, but this video is going to be possibly how to draw this net, and it looks like it's kind of stretched at the top. This is a kind of a fun project. So first of all, you need your amount of balls you want to use, and take your create a boundary tool, and you'll create a boundary. Then get your shape tool and just start moving some of these nodes out of the way to make the boundary of the bag, and then just kind of move it around. And for the video, I'm not going to take an extra lot of time trying to get it perfect, and but you can get the idea. There's something going wrong, screwy right there, but let's see if we delete that node. Delete that node. There we go. So we've almost got the boundary of the bottom of the bag. And this is where if you right click and you turn that into a cusp, but it evidently already is, you can move just one handle. And then we'll take, and it doesn't matter if you have a little bit of excess of the bottom, because the bag would kind of look like that. Take your shape tool and add a couple of nodes, and then a couple more. Come on, computer. So I'm just left clicking my mouse. Now I'm going to take these nodes and I'm going to extend my bag up. That doesn't look too good. That doesn't look too bad. And you could play around this for a long time and make it perfect. But we're going to call this. We'll add another node right there and kind of bring the bag in. Take that node and bring it out. And anyway, you get the idea. For the video, this is probably good enough. We'll bring that node out a little bit more. Even though I say it's for the video, I want to make it look good. And that for the video, that's good enough. You can get the idea. You can play with these nodes, and always remember that you can use your nudge tool. Set your nudge on 0.002, let's say. Zoom in here, get your shape tool, and if you want that nudge, that one over just a little bit, you can just nudge it over. Of course, this picture is really big, so I should have gone a little bit more with a bigger nudge distance, but you can see that it's moving over minutely. So for the bag, we're going to call this good enough. Anyway, so you've got your bag shape. Now we're going to set our nudge distance. Well, it doesn't matter. We can move it right back. And we're going to take this chicken wire that I'm created just by using polygons and six-sided polygons and just making duplicates and just making a bag type material. And I'm going to do this right here. Make the bag look like it's stretched, where the ball would be stretching out and it would go up to the handle. So to do that, just take your chicken wire, and always make a duplicate of it in case you mess something up and want to start over. Click on that, go down and get your envelope tool, and then just bring these nodes in. Kind of make it look like it's stretched, and for the video, that might be good enough. We'll go ahead and delete that node and see what happens. There we go. And it doesn't matter about this stuff up here, but I would try to grab a node and make where the balls are going to be a little bit bigger around. Make that a little bit more scrunched up. And for the video, that's probably good enough. Then you've got that item click, go to Effects, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and then click that. Now we need to go to Edit, and then you can move your power clip around where you kind of want it, and then press done. And for the video, that's probably good enough. It looks like it's stretched out. Then just bring your balls back in. Now I'm going to set my nudge distance a little bit higher this time, 0.01. Grab your balls and just move them over a little bit till they're to the outline of the bag. Maybe we'll move them down a little bit. Now I would take your power clip, go up here and change that from, because I draw everything in the hairline. Let's make it, because it's a pretty big item, make it 0.1 in black. And there you have a bag full of soccer balls. And you could do it with bats or anything. I think this one's actually better. As you can see, I got it tightened down. I actually drew a little hand in there for him to be holding the bag. But that's a fun project. It looks realistic. The chicken wire mesh is stretched out here and collapses here. Anyway, hope that helped her a little bit. Thank you for watching.